Okay, enough is enough. Ooh, I'm sorry. So the order itself is a complete. I decided to get a complete because, you know, why not? I've got the Y wheels, Y3 dual W65D. I've got the 32mm Rasta trucks and the 32mm mushroom graphic deck. I am really curious to see how a Yellowood complete feels. I've already tried the deck and the trucks, but not the wheels. So the wheels, I'm really curious to see how they feel. I'm sure they're awesome. You know, I have no doubt about it. That's why I got them. So yeah, let's just get into the package itself. Get the scissors. Oh, a little sip before. Okay. Let's get this done. Open from here. So I'm gonna just drop the whole package there once it's open. It's always so exciting to open a package. Okay, let's just drop it off. Woohoo! Holy crap! Holy shit! Oh yeah! Holy schnitzel! Okay. So here's the package. Got the sticker, Yellowwood sticker, nice. Oh, the deck, I'm gonna let it like that. Okay, must be the trucks and the deck. Got some stickers here, sticker sheets, really cool. I love the Y calligraphy, that's cool. Big Yellowwood, gonna go on my computer, that's for sure. Nice. Here's the bushing I ordered, the green one, and I think the green they're soft and the other they're just like regular bushings. Okay, so that must be the wheels. Oh, got other sticker here. Nice. Okay, cool. The wheels. Dun dun dun. Oh shit. They're really nice. I really love. They're like pure white. I really like them. I will get them out of the package later when I will set the complete up. Let's just put this right here. And this, man. Oh, that's a tool. Really cool. Nice. Really cool. So that must be the deck. Bum, bada, bum. Oh, really nice. I love this graphic. Mushrooms. Yeah, you know I love mushrooms. Really cool graphic from Yellowwood. Really nice. And the trucks. 32mm Y trucks. They're red and yellow. They just go very well. Sorry, with the deck and the wheels. Okay, so now we'll set it up and show you the result. So here's the final result. The deck is beautiful, it looked crisp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything more to say. Maybe the fact that the tail is pointier than the nose. The nose is more round and the tail pointy, which is part of the reason why I ordered a Yellowwood again. Like, I love popsicle shaped decks, but I'm not really a big fan of them, honestly. So that deck is really great for me. The trucks are responsive, they're great, and the wheels are squeakier than I thought, which is really a great point because I love oak wheels. Little test on wood. Sorry for your ears, and a little test on concrete. As you can hear, they're really squeaky. They roll great too. They're not the best I've had, but you know, they're good. They're good wheels. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and see y'all next time.